Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a slow drop D blues guitar. It's going to be in the key of A, which is a surprise because we're using drop D, but with this method you're going to sound really cool and fresh even when you're playing the overused key of A. I'm going to show you how it's going to sound. 1, 2, 3. Sounds really cool and fresh. I'm going to show you how it's played. It's really cool. And we're also going to play with a cool backing track. So let's get started. Yo guys, I played my version before with fingerstyle guitar, but you can also play with a pick. It doesn't really matter which kind of picking technique you're using. I personally prefer fingerstyle when it comes to this, this open bluesy stuff because you have a more direct touch to the tone, but that's just a personal choice. So I'm not going too much into the picking technique in detail, just showing you this cool thing here. So, as we are doing a drop D tuning, so the low E string is tuned down to a D, which gives us this really cool, bottom D7 chord. And now all the chords are changing, also the perception, how you played, even we are playing in the key of A, which results in the typical A5 or A13, which are often used. So we're doing this little riff here. We're doing 1, 2, 3. So we're starting here on the 3rd fret, making this, we call this Vorschlagsnote in German, I don't know the English word. Here on the triad, and then we go to A5. And then we play 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and on 3 again. Now we're doing the same thing on D, which is down here. So you could do either just lettering the whole thing, or and then you go to D7, which is here, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and this chord sounds really with oomph. I love it. And you can slide it in so nicely. Now we need a variation on this first riff. Well, let's do this. We do the same as before, but now it's... And then we go to A13, which is the same chord grip as the D7 before, but it has 5, 6, 7. And this grip also has the advantage that you can make the vibrators with the finger. You can also make vibrato by pressing your arm against the guitar. Just to get it a more bluesy, more deeper vibe. I'm just playing a regular Fender amp here with no effects, just bring reverb and that's it. And the rest is all happening here on the fretboard. Now we're going to go to E. Before E was here, but now E is in the 2nd fret here. You have to do a bar here. Now we're going to do a really fat E5 chord. So you make a bar here in the 2nd, ring goes in the 4th, pink in the 5th. that will be E5. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then you slide down to D5, and that D5 sounds really fat as fat can be. And then we make the riff again, and then the ending riff. And then again we do this really cool E5 chord. And when you play this has a big advantage when you want to really dig deep into the string. It really bites. It's really cool. So let's do the whole thing now with a backing track to see how that works. I really love this. I mean, even it's in an overused key of A, it sounds completely fresh. Just because you're playing drop G, you need to make a few adaptations with the chords, but it's really simple to play, and that's a big advantage. So let's, why is it, oh, now it's starting. Okay, now let's do it with the backing track. Why is it not starting properly? Technical stuff is always so annoying. So now let's cut. Sounds really cool. And so on. I forgot before, we also make a variation, of course, on the D7. And as a second variation, we take a D9 here, 4th fret, 5-5. Just as a variation, it's really cool. And yo. The trick is really to play the layback, give this extra kick. You know, really work out the tone and make it sound really cool and bluesy, and then you sound really fresh and cool here. Yo guys, that was the really cool slow drop D blues guitar in the key of A. If you want to download the tabs plus this cool backing track, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Queen. Please join there with a free member account, but in order to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community, and in order to download the stuff, please make a premium membership upgrade. I also offer a recording. I already started with that recording of this as download as an inspiration, just with some lead guitar, but there's also going to be a tutorial about lead guitar on this one, so please also subscribe to this channel so don't miss this tutorial. That's all me and Dr. Pink have to say for today. See you guys, and blues on.